and welcome back to my channel, Bhadra's Cooking Journey. I hope you have made my kiwi cucumber salad. Today I am not going to make anything savory. I am going to make sweet. I am going to make brownies, and everyone loves brownies. Those are gooey and it goes well in this climate. And I am not going to make those normal usual brownies. I am going to make white chocolate brownie, which goes with hot chocolate, hot milk, and it is liked by all the kids. So come on. Coming to the ingredients, of course our main ingredient is white chocolate. 225 grams of white chocolate and 2 cups and 1/4 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, and 1.5 cup of sugar, normal sugar. Don't use caster sugar, okay? The normal sugar which we use for tea and normal cooking, and 1 cup of butter, melted butter. We are using normal sugar because that will give the chewy texture to our brownies. 2 eggs, half teaspoon of baking powder, and half teaspoon of vanilla essence. If you are using unsalted butter, you will use salt, and if you are using salted butter, you don't have to use salt. As I am using salted butter, I am not gonna add salt. If you are using unsalted butter, you will have to add half teaspoon of salt. So to get started with, we will have to break the white chocolates in any shape you can break. I've cut them into cubes, and then we will be adding butter. Okay. Now we will heat it in the microwave for 15 seconds so that it melts. So listen, we will melt this. Take for 15 seconds, take it out, mix. Again melt it for 15 seconds, mix it, again melt it, mix it, like that we will do. And don't melt it at a high temperature, or else it will become like very hard, okay, and we won't be able to mix it nicely. So let's melt it for 15 seconds. So see, it has melted a little, and now we will mix it nicely. Okay, and again keep it. So I've taken it out again, and I'm going to mix it nicely. Okay, so now let's keep it and let the chocolates melt. So I've taken it out again and mixing it. See, it's starting to melt nicely. So finally my chocolate and butter has melted nicely. I've kept it in the microwave 4 times for 15 seconds. Now let's preheat our oven at 175 degree centigrade. Okay. So I've transferred it into another bowl, and it smells divine. Okay, now into this we will be adding 1.5 cup of sugar and half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Okay, this much would be enough. And now we will be mixing it. Okay, mix. this we will be adding 2 eggs. Okay. Now we will mix it, the egg and the sugar. So now we will be mixing the sugar, egg, chocolate, all of that. Brownies are easy to bake. You don't need, a lot of mixing. Just, add the ingredients, mix a little and bake it. Okay. So I mixed it nicely and I will gradually add the flour. Okay. Half teaspoon of baking, little baking powder. Okay. Now let's mix it nicely. Okay. Okay. If you feel your batter is too, thick, and little bit of milk, around 5 to 6 tablespoons, that would be enough, so that the batter becomes little loose, not too much loose, little loose, like the consistency of a cake, batter of a cake. Now we will pour it into a prepared your baking tin and bake it. So I prepared my tin, greased it nicely, dusted some flour, okay. Now we will pour our batter into the tin. So I poured my batter and let's, tap. So all the air bubbles go. Okay. So I'm keeping it in the preheated oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. Okay. 40 to 45 minutes at 170 degrees centigrade. So now we will wait for our brownies to get baked. So let's check if our brownies are ready. Okay. Okay, it's neat. It's okay if few crumbles come. So our brownies are ready and let's serve it on a nice serving plate. Let the brownies cool for some time and then we will serve. So our white chocolate brownies are ready. Do try this at home. Like and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye.